Well, it's been a whole month and I vanished. A lot of people were emailing me. Some people called me. Are you okay? What happened? I wanted to see what would happen if I just vanish. And I'm helping people with PLR because the biggest question that I get from most people is, what do I do with the PLR that I already bought? And I know what it's like because I have a whole computer full of PLR. And, you know, it's staggering how much PLR we all have. And do I keep buying it? Yeah, because I'll see something that I really want, I could possibly use. But I know what it's like because it's kind of fun buying stuff. It's like buying a new hat or a wristwatch for me. PLR, it's a lot of fun, but I use it. So I want to be able to help you in your journey with PLR. So I have a calendar. It's to talk to me, Bryan, about PLR, about your PLR, the PLR that you've bought. What are you going to do with it? And I bet I can help you with that because I'm on the same road. I'm probably a little further down the road, but I'm building my email list, I'm making products, and I'm selling them. So I'm going down a different path, and maybe I can help you. So there's a link in the description to talk to me. It's live. It will cost you nothing. There's a calendar. Just click on it. The different days have different times because my calendar is full and getting fuller. So click on that link. Get onto my calendar. It's free. We'll talk face to face, on screen, maybe on phone if you don't want to do that. But we'll talk, and I know I can help you. The people who were nice to me when I started out in PLR, they were talking to me and they really helped. So I'm giving this back, and maybe, yeah, I might suggest a few things to do or to get or whatever it is, but this is not a sell fest. You know, I'm not getting on the phone to try to sell you stuff. I want to help because that's what people did for me. So click on that link now. Get onto my calendar. You'll get an email. The only thing is you have to be there. I only give one chance. You can always reschedule, but if someone just doesn't show, I don't do a second chance. So get on my calendar, get the email, put it on your calendar, be there. We'll talk. I'll help you, and we'll see what happens. Okay? Click on that link now, and we'll talk soon.